Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in higher education: why colleges need MOUs, what exactly an MOU is, and how it benefits both students and colleges. So, let's start with the basics. What is an MOU? MOU stands for Memorandum of Understanding. In simple words, it is a written agreement between two parties. It could be between a college and an industry, between a college and another university, or even between a college and a research institute, or between a college and a school. This agreement shows that both parties are willing to collaborate and work together for mutual growth. Now, the question is, why do colleges need MOUs? Because today's education is not limited to textbooks and classrooms. The world is moving fast, industries are evolving, technology is changing, and students need real time knowledge, exposure, and opportunities. A college that has MOUs with reputed institutions and industries can provide exactly that. Let's talk about the benefits for students first. First is internships and trainings. Through MOUs, students get access to internships and hands-on training directly in industries or companies. For example, an MOU with an IT company can give you computer science students a chance to work on real projects before they graduate. Second is workshops and skill development. Colleges can invite experts, organize guest lectures, and conduct certification programs that make students job ready. Third is research and innovation. MOUs with research institutions allow students to work on joint projects, publish papers, and even file patents. This builds a strong academic profile. Fourth is exchange programs. Many MOUs with foreign universities allow students to study a semester abroad or attend cultural academic exchange programs. This adds global exposure. Fifth is placement opportunities. Companies trust colleges that already have formal tie ups. This leads to better placement drives and higher employability. Now let's move to the benefits of the colleges. First is reputation and recognition. When a college signs MOUs with reputed organizations, it automatically improves the image and credibility of the institutions in the society. Second is accreditation and ranking. For NAC and NAB, NIRF, and other accreditation processes, having multiply MOUs is considered a strong point. It shows the institution is connected with industry and society. Third is faculty development. MOU often include training programs for teachers as well. Faculty members get opportunities to do joint research, attend seminars, and update themselves with new trends. Fourth is curriculum enrichment. Industry linked MOU helped colleges design curriculum as per the latest industry demand. For example, an MOU with an automobile company can help in adding EV electric vehicle technology courses. Fourth is innovation ecosystem. With multiple MOUs, colleges can set up the incubation centers, startup hubs, and innovation labs for students and faculty. Now let's answer an important question: why should a college have more MOUs? Because one MOU cannot cover everything. A tie-up with an IT company may help in coding skills. A tie-up with hospital may help in nursing or pharmacy students. A tie-up with foreign university may provide international exposure. And a tie-up with an NGO may help in social responsibility and community service. And a tie-up with the judiciary may help in law students to get more experience. So the more MOUs a college has, the wider opportunity for students and faculty. It shows that the institution is serious about growth, is well connected, and is committed to providing holistic developments. In short, MOUs are like bridges. They connected the colleges with the outside world. They bring industries, universities, research centers, and international opportunities closer to students. And at the same time, they lift the overall ranking and reputation of the college to the students. So, if a college wants to stand out, attract students, and create future ready graduates, it must focus on signing and implementing more and more MOUs. So thank you for listening me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.